Changing your password on Zelle is a straightforward process that helps ensure your account remains secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon. Step 3. Select security options. In the account settings menu, look for the security options. This section may include various security features, including password management. Step 4. Choose Change Password. Find the option to change your password. You may need to enter your current password for verification before proceeding. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your new password. Make sure it meets the required criteria, such as length and character types, and confirm the new password before saving. After completing these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider changing it regularly to maintain account security.